Hi, my name is William Green from Cougar Chicagoland, dealer 402130, and I'm going to be walking you through a demonstration on how to do a voltage drop on a charging circuit. We're going to be using a 2013 Jetta 2-liter common rail diesel, and we're going to be using the scan tool with the VAS 6150C along with the VAS 6356 test 3 box. Now, one of the first things you want to do before you go ahead and start your voltage drop is you want to test your battery. You got to make sure that you have a good battery or you're not going to have an accurate reading. Already gone ahead and tested that with the VAS 6161, and it shows we have a good battery, so we can go ahead and start our procedure. Now we're going to be starting with the positive side of the circuit. You want to make sure that you go to the positive post on the battery, not the cable. You could have some resistance between the cable and the post, which could throw off your reading. So you always want to make sure you go to the post first. And we're going to be going to the positive stud on the alternator. You don't want to go on the nut, you want to go on the post because you can have a bad connection at the nut and you can get a false reading through that. So I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle, turn on the loads and the lights, accessories, and we'll see what our reading is. Put it on the post of the alternator. And negative is the post on the battery. Okay, I'm ready.
I've been recording the whole time.
Okay, I have the positive lead on the post of the alternator and my negative lead on the post of the battery. Okay, you can see we have a 0.15 voltage drop on the positive side. Now we're going to go ahead and do the negative side. We're going to take our positive lead and put it to the post again on the battery. We're going to take our negative lead and put it on the case of the alternator. Here you can see we have a 94 millivolt drop on the negative side. So now we have our readings. As a rule of thumb, you never want to see more than half a volt drop on the positive side and 0.2 volts on the negative side. Now some other factors that you could add to your testing is you want to test the vehicle when it's cold and when it's hot. Sometimes you can get a normal voltage drop when the vehicle is cold, but as the cables heat up, you could create a voltage drop through the cable due to heat, and you could have an issue after that. Another thing you want to check is you can raise the RPM to 1800 to 2000 range. That way your alternator is at its full output, and you're testing the circuit the way it was meant to be tested. So that's my demonstration on how to do a voltage drop on a charging circuit. Thank you for watching.